for the listener who wants to rebrand, give us the best takeaways to be successful with a rebrand.
Okay. So I think this is an important piece for people. When we start podcasting, the one lesson that we are taught from the beginning is you have to niche down the smallest viable audience, right? And that makes a lot of sense. Find your avatar. What's your niche? Drill down, talk about that, and talk about it a lot and talk about it well. And that is a really good strategy. But what that doesn't take into account is that, like in my case, culture changes, right? What people want to focus on changes. And I think that what I learned is that it's okay to rebrand. It's okay to slightly adjust your topic if you need to. One thing I would point out, and Adam, I think you would probably be a big advocate of this. One of the things that you teach people that are coming into your company to have a podcast is you have to be passionate about what you're talking about. You have to believe in it. You need to be passionate about it. And with that, you're going to do really well. But people, their passion wanes, right? So for me, I got tired of the conversation around company culture. Could I have continued? Absolutely. Could I have faked that? Yeah, I probably could have. But would I have loved the content? Would I have enjoyed the conversation and dug deeper? Maybe not. So my answer is rebranding and really looking at your niche and how it's serving you is important, because even your business might evolve over the years. So your podcast might need to evolve. So I don't think it's bad to rebrand. And I don't think it's bad to look at your strategy and what your niche is along the way and make sure you're still on target.
When rebranding, what are some of the considerations? What are some of the things that need to happen when we rebrand our show from one name to a different name?
So I think that for me, the way that I did it was I paid attention to my trailer. I would reissue a trailer to introduce a new season and some of the changes that I was going through. My listeners were cultivated through LinkedIn and Instagram. So I started to talk about on there and do posts that were relevant to some of the changes that I was making and to get feedback. But I think you don't want to just, surprise, open the box on your new season and have it be completely different, because then your loyal listeners won't understand and they'll maybe feel a little betrayed. I think actually communicating with them and inviting them into that conversation is always good. You don't have to take their advice, right? You don't have to, but inviting them in and saying, hey, everyone, go listen to my trailer. My show is taking a turn. I'm really excited about it. This is the topic I'm talking about. I'd love for you to come along for the ride. I'd love for you to share it. And I'd love your opinion on it. DM me if you have any thoughts on it. I hope you'll give it a listen. So it's important to inform people in whatever methods suit you. Definitely, I would update your trailer to reflect what you're doing. So if anybody stumbles on your show, they know the direction you're going. So I would start there, and then I would share your passion on whatever social media platforms you feel like, so that your audience, your community can sort of come along for the ride and feed off of your enthusiasm.